Hi, Bill Hungridge here. I put together a brief summary of all the reasons why I chose Solivita. I thought you might be interested in seeing what the results were. Your home is your biggest investment and it definitely needs protecting. I took a good look at the numbers I was spending on my home and compared them to a new home in Solivita. The result is pretty impressive. Pay careful attention to the fact that Solivita includes lawn and shrub maintenance, pest control, irrigation, and cable TV. We will also be receiving a new package that will include internet services as well for a minimal increase. This is all very important when on a fixed income. Solivita amenities include 2 18-hole championship golf courses, 2 clubhouses including 2 resort-style pools, an indoor lap pool, an indoor track, 2 state-of-the-art fitness centers, 11 additional community pools, a full-size ballroom, numerous community studios, 3 restaurants, tennis courts, pickleball, a softball diamond, 2 dog parks, and 60% of the community remains untouched natural habitat. This makes me a happy camper. So I hope this gives you an idea of why I chose Solivita and why I chose a 55 plus community as opposed to a standard community. I think you'd like it here. Have a great day and I'll talk to you soon.